Hello everybody, it's Sue here again. Just want to let you know about these lovely sliders that I received on TikTok shop. Lovely cream colour. They do come in 3 colours. They come in the pink, black and this cream. They run from a size 3.5 up to a size 9 UK. They've got a lovely padded sole and this lovely glittery 2-buckle strap on the top. Now I'm a wide foot. I have got this in an 8 and they fit lovely. I'll just put this one on and then I'm going to show you. Here we go. So I'm going to turn this down so you can see the actual fit of these lovely shoes. As you can see, they fit full length of my foot. I am very wide foot and they fit lovely. So tap the link below and take a look. Thank you.